All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So messing with the rack, we got our pads and the bolts that go through the plates, fit the plate. Now we needed these little guys, which I made this little jig that could hold it. And then I could clamp down the metal and able to cut and grind and all this out. Now that's our little prop for our first bar here. Be really cool. What are we up to? Let's see what Josh, Absolute Tire and Service, St. George, Utah, got us here today. Well, I was kind of worried that I wouldn't like them, but that's kind of fading away. Because, oh, that's pretty badass. So this is a 20-inch wheel. It's a 20x9, like plus 18. And then this is a 22x12, negative 55.
Vision is usually negative 52.
And so we got the front one tucked in and the rear one as far out as we can. Kind of give it that old school staggered. And I don't think it sticks out too much. I think it's going to be cool. I was a little worried about the wheels. Like, I like the forged wheels, or the forged wheels. It's got nice flatter spokes, and I was worried I wouldn't like the roundness of these spokes, but they're really pretty great. And these wheels were like $350 a wheel, and the forged, you know, they can be $600, $700 a wheel easily. I mean, this is gonna run probably $3,500 for a set with tires, and it can get to 7-8 grand real quick. So like, as far as, I don't want to say a compromise, but just a really good find that these wheels are gonna not only fit, but, you know, with these things sticking out in the rear, let's say it gets curbed or something, it's a replaceable wheel. It's not something custom cut, it's not a custom offset, it's, you know, a cast wheel. So they aren't too hard to get a hold of. Won't be too hard to get another one if something happened to one, which is always something that you kind of want to think about. So I think this will work. I'm digging it. So I'm gonna try to get you a view of the side of this thing. There we are, kinda. Those are our wheels and tires. They're a bit outrageous. That's kind of what I was going for. It's kind of cool. I was kind of going for like a 70s kind of, you know, street machine looking deal. Very Hot Wheels. But I haven't seen anybody do this with the, you know, a big 8-lug wheel. Kind of something I came up with in my weird brain. But kind of neat. Big old deep lip on these things. Kind of cool with our roof rack there. Crazy thing. Crazy thing.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.